In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add clickable links inside your Behance projects, which is a fantastic way to guide your audience to your website, social media, or even a detailed case study. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have all the skills you need to seamlessly incorporate links in your project descriptions or even directly display entire external web pages, enhancing the interactive experience for your viewers. Let's dive into the process of embedding links in two different ways. Firstly, we'll talk about embedding links in descriptions or text blocks. To start, log into your Behance account using a desktop browser, since some features might not be accessible on mobile devices. Once you're logged in, navigate to one of your existing projects. Go ahead and choose Edit Project if you'd like to update an existing work or begin a new one if you're starting fresh. Now, within your project, you're going to want to insert a text block. After inserting it, highlight the specific text that you intend to transform into a clickable link. This could be something enticing like "Visit my portfolio" or any other call to action you have in mind. At the top, in the text toolbar, look for the link icon. It might resemble a chain. Clicking on this will open up a field where you can paste your desired URL. Once you've pasted it, press Enter. What you're doing here is creating a seamless pathway for your viewers to explore more of what you offer. Finally, once you've added all the content and made necessary adjustments, click Publish or Update on your project. Your text link is now active and can be clicked by your audience to reach your selected destination. Next, if you're looking to directly show an external web page within your project, we'll use the feature designed for embedding media. While in the Edit Project mode, look for the option labeled Embed Media. Here's the part that's crucial to remember. Behance only accepts iframe embed codes, not plain URLs. So, the next step involves getting that specific iframe code from the website or media you wish to embed. This could be a YouTube video, a Figma file, an Instagram post, a Google map, or even Vimeo. Each of these platforms typically provides an easy way to copy the embed code directly. Once you have your iframe code handy, simply paste it into the Embed Media section. When you've embedded your chosen media, viewers will be able to interact with it right within your Behance project. And that's it. You're all set up with clickable links and embedded content right in your Behance project. These strategies not only enhance the presentation of your work, but also provide a more engaging experience for your audience, guiding them smoothly through your professional portfolio. Thanks for following along, and I hope this tutorial empowers you to make your projects even more dynamic.